Take a look at this flashy truck. 1971 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super. You can see regular cab, long box. Looking good in that bright red and white paint combination, riding on 20-inch Riddler wheels. Great look on this truck. We just had one similar into this that did not take very long to sell at all. This particular one powered by a 350 V8 underneath the hood that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Shifter on the column. Equipment on this truck also very nice. This was originally a 350 truck, so still a V8 truck, not representing his numbers or anything, but it was also a Four Seasons air conditioned truck. Now still has AC on it, but it's a vintage air unit, so much more efficient. Power steering, power brakes also, with disc up front. So nice equipment on this truck. So not only do you have that old classy truck look, you got some of the modern amenities. The AC does blow cold. Very nice setup on the interior. Still looks original, but I'll show you some other amenities that this one has. Now, if you want to check out that engine bay, you're also going to notice that this one has Phytech fuel injection system on it. So it's got an Edelbrock intake, Hedman headers, and then the fuel injection system. So check out the still pictures and see the engine bay underneath of this truck. Check out the box, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see bright work, bumper, any of the chrome, in nice shape on this truck. This one you could take any of your local shows, cruise-ins. This one will turn some heads. It's got a very good look to it. As you can see, that red paint looks like it's still wet. It looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Those 20-inch chrome Riddlers really set this off. In the pictures, you'll also see the VIN tag that's in the door. You'll see the sticker that's in the glove box and everything. So that is all there. You can see the hound's tooth, cloth and vinyl interior. Great classic look on this classic truck. But remember, you got those modern amenities up underneath the hood. Wood bed, also in nice shape with the stainless. You can see how straight this thing is too. This was originally produced in Atlanta, Georgia at the production site there. Spent the majority of its life in Arizona. Has had a restoration along the way and has ended up here. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Classic Chevrolet logo in the wood grain across the tailgate. And again, you can see what kind of shape the stainless everything is in here. Has had a fuel tank relocated to the back here. There's your fuel fill. Again, check out those still pictures. So if you want to take your time looking through every portion of this truck, from the underside, top side, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, phone number one last time, 507-386-1726. But yeah, you can see how nice this truck is above each and every wheel well. Look up and down the driver's side here. Truck's just not much of any that I've noticed for nicks, dings, scratches. I'm sure that if you look it over with a fine-tooth comb, you're going to find a couple here and there, but anything that stands out, I have not came across it. Other thing about this, it still retains that stock-looking dash, but you have different gauges put in here. Intellitronics, you can see that, but the dash and everything looks stock, but updated gauges. There's also like a retro sound radio to it, and then your vintage AC controls. But again, very stock looking. Check that out right here. There's your retro sound radio. Here's the vintage AC controls, but you know, still looks similar to the stock ones. 2-knob radio, and then Come over here and turn this key on so you can see how everything lights up. Some more modern gauges. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oh, should let that fuel pump run a little bit. She's going to start right up. There we go. Let the fuel injection system build up pressure. Fires right up. Nice sounding too. You can hear that. I'll slip around to the back seat. Listen to that. We'll check out the engine bay. Door closes nicely. Nice sounding truck. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let's check out how that engine bay looks. Alright, here's the hood popped. See that 350 running. FYI, we had a little bit of a hard start there when I started it because we were practically out of gas. When I came around with it running to open the hood, it ran out on me. So, got a couple gallons in here, fired right back up, and now you can see it running. So there's your vintage AC unit. Does work, does blow cold. Again, Vitec fuel injection system, Edelbrock, Performer intake, power steering, power brakes, nice smooth running engine. This was originally a V8 truck, had a 350 in it, but it still has, just not representing as numbers. And then of course, that's teamed up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. What a great looking and sounding truck. So there you go. You're looking for a nice looking older truck that has the amenities and equipment of a newer one. Here it is. Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to us where you can check out the still pictures and everything. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.